Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. What we are going to see in this video is the overview of the MATLAB. First of all, you can see here there are three columns are there. First one is the current folder. Here we have to save the folder is appear here. And then second one is the command window. Here we have to execute the calculation and other commands here. And this is the workplace. Here we have variables and other values of the variables in this workplace. Let's see. I'm going to add 3 plus 5. Then you can see here this answer is 8. Likewise, you can see the variable and its value in the workspace. And here you can see the new script. When we open the new script, in here we have to write the code, and then by using this run button we can simulate the MATLAB coding. And next one is the live script. Live script is it's like a command window in a structured manner. Let's see. Here we have text and the code boxes. When we click the text, we can type whatever we want. For example, and then change to code. Here we have to mention the variable name and its value. Then change to text. Here. And then change to code. Set is equal to x plus 5. Then choosing this run button, we can simulate this code. Here you can see the values of this function, and also we can save the file as a MLX format. And then we can reopen the file and see the calculation and other things. Also we can export this calculation in the PDF format and Word, HTML, LaTeX, whatever we want. Let's accept as PDF. Here you can see the calculation of the MET file as a PDF. For it. And here also we can create different type of MATLAB files as function, live functions, classes, and other things also. And this is the open button. We can open the previous MATLAB project by using this button. And then here by using this we can compare two MATLAB files or folder likewise. And this is import data. By clicking this we can import like JPG file, MATLAB file, PNG file, and MP3, MP4, whatever we want, we can upload to the workspace of the MATLAB. And this is the workspace organization. We can see when we click this, we can see the variables, and by clicking this clear workspace, we can clear all the variables from the workspace. Commands. When we click this clear command, it will clear the command window. And next one is simulink. This is the most important thing in the MATLAB. Here we can simulate the project related to communication system, power electronic system, robotic controller, and so much other related project. Also we can create and simulate the project by creating the circuit. And for example, you can see Yeah, these are the important project example in the simulink file. Here you can see air traffic controller radar design. Here you can create the circuit like this. Inside the radar, there is a lot of logics are there. Likewise, we can create and simulate the output. By changing the parameter also, we can analyze the circuits. We will see in upcoming video how to use this simulink. So, and these are the environment options. Here you can see layout. Here by using this, you can change the layout of the workplace. These are the other things to arrange the environment of the workplace. And here this is the resources. By using this help, we can get the examples and documentation of the MATLAB, and here you can see the community request support, and by clicking this learn MATLAB you can go to the MATLAB web page and you can learn about MATLAB. And that's all about today's video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. If you notify when I upload new videos, please click the bell icon.